Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today is Monday, February 13th, 2023. Today's weather, we have a high of 67, a chilly start to our day with a low of 36. It's sunny and a low chance of rain. Today for breakfast, we have cinnamon roll, sausage link, juice and fruit, and for lunch, burrito, rice, salad, fruit, and juice. Birthdays. On February 10th, we had Noah Zine. On February 11th, we had Gabby Morris. February 12th, James Cowart, Emery Gavin. And February 13th, Willow Terry and Solomon Fox Ross. Happy birthday! Today's announcements. Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 27th through March 3rd. A flyer will be sent home with the details about the theme days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snack. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure that they take off outerwear that is not in compliance with our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Today's late duty is Miss Stowe. On the 14th, we have Miss Tompkins, 15th Gardner, 16th Lee, 17th Clark. And next week, Will Born in Blankenship will start us off. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week for last week. The top kindergarten first class was Miss Hogan's class. The top second, third class was Miss Hamlin's class. And the top 4-5 class was Miss Arch's class. Our top student in kindergarten first was Joanne Chung with 14 lessons passed from Miss Clark's class. Our top second, third grade student is Kason Riley with 14 lessons passed in Miss Blankenship's class. And our top fourth and fifth student is Chloe Fair with 6 lessons passed in Miss Arch's class. Way to go to these students! Knocking those lessons out, building those great skills, very impressive. Important dates. Today we have a faculty meeting after school. Wednesday we have another one of our ACAP We have ACAP PD during planning for 2nd and 3rd, and we also have our ACAP shutdown for 2 through 5. February 16th, which is Thursday, we have Michael Green's Science Machine. We have 2 presentations for him. February 17th, we have our 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th is Mardi Gras break. February 27th through March 3rd is Dr. Seuss Theme Week and Compliance Monitoring Week. March 7th is Spring Pictures and the ACAP alternate begins. March 21st, Teacher Workday. March 22nd, ACAP Summative begins. A lot of important things coming up soon. Also, if you have a question, send us your questions in the question box. We'll continue working on those. That's all for today's news, Shepherd Scholars. Have a marvelous Monday.